Hello, Darren Martineau here from Team Freedom. And in this video, I'm going to explain and teach about internet traffic, how to get traffic to your website. There's many different ways. I'm not going to go over every single thing, but I'm going to do an overview. So basically, you have free traffic. Free traffic is the traffic that you build yourself, such as a YouTube channel, a blog, etc. This is free traffic, okay? There are many other examples of free traffic. Then you have paid traffic. That's like pay-per-click, Facebook ads, any kind of paid traffic. Then you have um, borrowed traffic. This is student traffic. This is where you really start to go viral because you have affiliates that are promoting for you your products and say they're getting 50% or whatever percent they're getting. They have the incentive because what they're doing is they're learning how to market and then they are sharing. Uh, they are they are learning and it's easier for them to learn within a system, right? So I'm going to show you one of my systems. Okay, I have many systems. This is one of my systems. So this is a squeeze page or lead capture page, whatever you want to call it. Now, many marketers are doing it wrong because they're sending people. They'll make a video, whatever. They'll send them right to the sales page. You want to send them to your squeeze page. The most important thing is not to get likes, subscribes, and share. It's to get the email. The email is the most important. So with that said, what I want you to do is after this video, click on the link and you're going to want to put in your name and email. Why? Because I'm going to show you this crazy awesome clone affiliate business. It's the fastest, easiest, and smartest way to grow an income from home. Now, put in your name and email here or just your email and hit join now. Now this is taking through the system. Now this right here, I have all kinds of income proofs. I make money online with many different things. In another video, I'll talk about all the different things that I promote. But one of my top programs is in here. Well, actually, many of my top programs are in here. Okay, so I want to show you what you're going to do. What happens is you'll go into my system. Now I'm going to do a little, we're talking about traffic, so I'm going to be jumping around a little bit. So sorry about that. But in order to get traffic, like I said, you can do free traffic or paid traffic. There's four primary ways, but we're going to talk about uh, a solution that's really, really incredible, especially for people that don't want to make videos or are too shy to show their face on video. Uh, this is called the M3 Inner Circle. And inside of here, as you can see, these are 33 safe lists. Now, what are safe lists? Safe lists are uh, emailers where when you join them, you can mail out like every couple days, I can mail out like over 6,000, like 6,000 to 10,000 emails. And right here's a list of 33 very, very powerful 33 emails. Now, if you want to get access to all of this, put in your name and email, and I'll take you into my system. Now, inside my system, I have one of my primary programs, which is called the Easy Commission Funnel, which I'm also doing a review of in this video, all at the same time. So when you put in your name and email, you're going to get access to the Easy Commission Funnel. Okay, this is one of them. I have many. Inside here, it takes you through the steps, as you can see, 1 through 7. Now, this is very important. In order to make money online, you need to complete all these steps. In here, there's a video, and this gentleman here, who is really incredible marketer, Jeff Amon, he shows you the exact way how to make money online. Now, I used to use Aweber, but I canceled it because I found something way better, and it's called SendShark. Now, inside of here, when you join SendShark, this is your number one way as a marketer. You need to build your list. The money's in the list, I'm telling you. Uh, no matter what anyone says, the most important thing is to build your email list. And in here, he'll talk about it and he'll show you how to do that. Now, if you want to double your commissions, just click on these links and it will show you how to do that. So you want to join SendShark. It's an autoresponder. It's kind of like Aweber, but I like it a lot better because of the comp plan attached to it and everything like that. Okay. the next steps. I'm not going to go over every single step because this is going to be a way too long video, but I'm just doing an overview. This one, which is the one which I showed you a little bit of, is called the M3 Inner Circle. And right now it shows you how to automatically email over 144,000 laser targeted members every single month, growing your list and your profits and building your downlines, building your systems. If you have something that you love that you already promote, you can promote it with this. If you don't, there's tons and tons of income streams in here. This shows you how to create multiple income streams. So this is very, very powerful. Now, I'm going to talk a little bit about traffic and about how to build it. I have many YouTube channels. This is some of the things that I teach to my students. As you can see, I put up this video. Now, on this video, I show how to make viral videos, and you can do something called Creative Commons. You can re-upload videos. You don't have to show your face. You don't have to be on film, anything like that. And I'm going to give you access to all this training for free when you put in your email, and I will give you access to all this. Now, I want to show you some more proof, backed up with proof. Right here, some of my videos. This one has 61,000 views. This one, but this example is for how to create viral videos. This video is not me. As you can see, this is my YouTube channel right here, Darren Martineau. This is me, right? This is one of my old YouTube channels. But right here, as you can see, I click on this, and we get this video, right? I'm going to pause it. But what this video is it's a video. Got to skip over this stupid ad, but in this video, this is just a magician teaching a trick, right? And he's teaching how to do a as you can see, a really cool trick. It's a homemade do-it-yourself fire wallet. Well, what does that have to do with anything? Oh, let me show you why. I didn't make this video, and it's got on here, as you can see. I'm going to pause the video. I'm showing you right here, okay? It's got over 5,000 views, and all I did was re-upload this thing. So I'm just kind of showing you an overview of this. A day in the life of a internet marketer, super affiliate. So this is 33 safe lists. Every single day, like every couple days, like every 3 days, I send out between 6,000 and 10,000 of these incredible emailers. Now, when you combine that with your other methods of traffic, this is how you're going to build your list, and this is how you're going to get sales. Because if people don't buy right away, you need to have, their contact information, their email, so that you can send them back to your offers. Now, I'll make other videos about email marketing and all these different steps, but I just want to simplify it right here. These are the ways to get traffic. So click on the link, put in your email, and I'll take you into my easy commission funnel system and my systems, and I'll give you my bonuses, show you how to make these viral videos, and show you how to do a whole bunch more, how to use AI, and a whole bunch of incredible things. Thank you very much. Have a great day.